All right, welcome to our grouping with describe challenge. And I have a question for you. We have our user described title here, and I'm asking you, is there a way that you could think of having a more reliable way of identifier and grouping name? Like, what would happen in this case if our user class was actually changed to admin class and our describe still said user? Can you think of a way, knowing what we know about classes, of making it so that we don't have to update that? Pause it, think about it, maybe to even do a little bit of research and come back to it. All right, were you able to do it? If not, not a big deal. In our example here, let's just go ahead and make that change. So we change this to admin, and it still says our user group, right? We have an issue there. And you might even like the syntax, something like this, user class. If you want to be more specific, that'd be okay. But it still would be user class, wouldn't be admin class. But did you know that all of our classes have a name? If we do something like admin.name, and then we save it, we're always going to reference this. So if this changes, we now can have our admin. And of course, if you want to do some string interpolation here to make it a little bit cleaner and better because you like the class like I do, usually if I'm working within a component, a service, a directive, a pipe, a class, whatever it may be, I'm going to reference that. So we'll do something like this. And now if we go and we change admin back to user, for instance, and we save it, it's going to error out, right? As expected. We'll go ahead and update this, and bam, bam, good to go. So just a slightly safer way in our large outmost grouping describe here to say, hey, we're within our user class, and we're going to make sure that it's going to be accurately updated and give us a little help there.